Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene, doing for you another authentic Jamaican meal. So come along with me. Come on, we're going to the kitchen today. I will be doing for you another Jamaican special. It's turned cornmeal, people. And I know we're going to spice it up with it. It's going to be good. I promise you, it's going to be awesome. So stay with me until the end of this video.
Welcome family and friends to my kitchen. Now I'm cooking some black peas with 3 cloves of garlic and a tablespoon of salt, and I'm cooking this for about 20 minutes until my peas is almost cooked. I'm going to separate it in 250 grams into a saucepan with about a cup of peas water. Now guys, this is what it looks like. To that I will add a cup of coconut milk, a cup of water, some red onions and bell pepper. Now guys, my bell pepper had used some the last time I cooked and I cut the rest and placed them in my refrigerator. Added to that some green blended seasoning and powdered seasoning, some cilantro. I've added some bay leaves. I've added some parsley, guys, and of course this smells awesome. It can't do without the scotch bonnet pepper, people, and this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna cover this and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes.
If you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button, and while you're at it, turn on your post notifications so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified.
Alright family and friends, after 20 minutes, this is what the pot looks like. The coconut milk cooked good, peas cooked, everything look nice. I'm gonna add some ginger powder to that, some fresh bell pepper, people. Cover this for about 5 minutes. Now people, not gone away, because
the food for thought comes to us today from
Psalms 23 verse 1 and 3. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake.
And to that we say, praise be to God. We serve a God who makes us lack nothing. We will not want for anything because God is our good shepherd.
Alright family and friends, I'm jumping right back in the kitchen. See the sac passe. Oh no, don't be Asian subscribers. Big up on yourself, and I know some love and appreciate it all the time. So I'm using the coarse cornmeal and I've added some water to mix this, guys, and that's because I don't want my cornmeal to lump while cooking. Now people, remember, give me some likes, Zine.
If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or whatever extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. Just know that Wim's Kitchen celebrates you and celebrate with you. So go ahead and leave your special date in the comment section, and I sure will give you some big up when your date comes around.
So after 15 minutes, I will add the cornmeal to the peas. And guys, you have to stir your cornmeal and then you cover this to cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat. Now people, this look good, it smells good, and I know this is such a wonderful experience for someone. So after 15 minutes, move your cornmeal from the edge of the pot and add to that some butter. Turn your meal, guys. Keep on turning it so that the butter is incorporated, and cover to cook for an additional 10 minutes.
Remember, give my video some thumbs up, guys, and start a conversation in the comment section. Share your thoughts about this video or suggest other Jamaican, Caribbean, or international meals that you would like to see me prepare.
Now guys, there's a lot of goodness going on in the kitchen right there. No, see the people, I've just moved the pot to the front stove just for you to see what's going on in the pot. I have it on low heat, so I'm just letting you see what's going on in this, and then put it over on the other stove, because people on the high heat, I will be doing some okra and fish. Now people, see them sauteed. There's some onions, some garlic, some bell peppers, guys. I've sauteed in some tomatoes,
add some butter to that, and to that, guys, I will add about a cup of water and the sauce from the pan that I'd fried the fish in. Some fried fish. I'm gonna add to that some carrots. I'm gonna add, of course, some cracked black pepper, some fish seasoning, some fish sauce. I'm gonna add the Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just gonna cover that down and allow that to steam. Now, people, you can add the salt to taste. It's really up to you what you want to add to your fish. Spice up your fish how you like it. Now, guys, if you want to see how I did my fish, just leave that in the comment section and you know your girl got you.
It's a nice can done. Look at my cornmeal, my turned cornmeal, people. It's all done. And so, once again, it's another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now, guys, it's all done. And I'm serving this with my favorite cut of snapper with some okra and some sauce, people. This is what heavenly cuisine looks like, Jamaican style. There it is. Lovely turned cornmeal.
Thank you for staying with me in the kitchen where I did for you cooking Jamaican style.